So his first landing come and hit my arm this way.
Tracy is describing how she was recently punched and attacked. The alleged offender was not a stranger. She says it was her own son.
So then he went like that. And that punch come down into my center chest.
Jonathan is 15 years old. He has severe autism. Previous police records note he has violent tendencies. It was shortly after one of those violent moments we first met the family. February 2025, an Atlanta News First investigation revealed the teen was involved in a Fulton County police standoff. Footage shows he broke into a business, threatened to harm others and himself.
Business off MLK Drive in Atlanta.
Was it hard to watch the body cam?
That part it is, yes. Just because I can visualize the guns on him, and that is, I'm sorry, I'm going to tear up. That is any parent's worst nightmare.
In the last year we've been following this family's court case, much has changed. Since the incident, a judge eventually dismissed the charges against Jonathan. A senior judge unrelated to this case suggested it likely stems from the teen not having the mental capacity to understand the charges. It infuriated Tracy. The mother accused the juvenile courts of not holding him accountable. Tracy also accusing the Division of Family and Children Services, DFCS, of failing to provide proper mental and behavioral health resources, like a specialized residential facility. Plus, Tracy alleges on a phone call with DFCS, staff threatened to charge her with abandonment after Jonathan's SWAT standoff. Feeling like there was nowhere to turn, the mother filed to give up her parental rights.
During that time, I was just so hurt, and listening to everyone and the things that they were doing, it felt very hopeless momentarily.
But now, she just revoked that voluntary filing, officially deciding to keep her rights.
Then I realized I am my son's strongest advocate. I am his mom. I'm the one who knows him inside and out. And if I can't stand up for my child, why would I expect anybody else to?
That renewed resilience, in part because of a complaint she filed with the Georgia Office of the Child Advocate, OCA, the state's independent oversight agency which inspects DFCS cases. According to state records, the OCA did investigate.
And that investigation was to see if DFCS failed your son.
Yes.
Did they?
Yes, they did.
The OCA says it does not comment on specific cases, citing privacy laws. But Atlanta News First Investigates obtained copies of the agency's findings. They show DFCS violated 6 state policies related to providing individualized services and referrals for treatment. OCA stating DFCS admitted the case manager did not work Jonathan's case.
DFCS holds parents accountable, as it should, nails them against the wall for things like neglect and who holds DFCS accountable.
Questions that remain unanswered for Tracy, as the OCA cannot enforce change or penalties against DFCS. It only provides recommendations. However, soon after the OCA's review, Tracy says DFCS agreed to place Jonathan in a specialized facility for treatment, giving the family some hope while still waiting on accountability.
They neglected my son. They were found to have neglected my son by an actual investigation. And yet, nothing was done about it. I don't believe that's okay.